In today's practice, we'll address 3 common factors which is associated with PCOS and PCOD. Namaste, I'm Archana. Warm welcome to today's session where we will see 3 powerful pranayama practices that will help in regulating hyperinsulinemia, reducing stress, and enhancing blood flow to the abdominal and reproductive organs. If you want to get deeper into understanding what PCOD is, PCOS is, how these practices are going to help, I'll leave a simple write-up in the video description along with links to detailed videos for each practice. We're going to begin this session by sitting with our back straight. So you can either sit on the mat in an easy pose like Sukhasana or any of the other poses like Vajrasana, Siddhasana, Siddhayoniyasana or Padmasana. If it is hard for you to sit on the mat, you can sit on the chair with your feet supported or on your bed with your legs extended. Key thing to remember is the back stays straight. We'll start with full yogic breathing or Dharga Pranayama, which is necessary for any other pranayama practice that you do, wherein we involve all the lobes of the lungs. So we'll begin by placing a right hand on our belly, left on our chest. Inhale, push your belly into your palm, expand your chest, raise your shoulders. As you breathe out, belly collapses, chest collapses, relax your shoulder. Your back may arch slightly, that's fine. Initially, when we are learning this practice, it's bound to happen. We're going to do 3 more rounds together. Inhale, expand. Exhale, belly towards your spine. Chest collapses, relax your shoulder. Again, breath in, push your belly into your palm, open your chest, raise your shoulders slightly. Exhale, navel back towards your spine, collapse your chest, relax your shoulders. Just 1 more. Inhale. Exhale. When we do this practice, this makes our breath uniform, slow, deep, rhythmic. So we're going to try and use this kind of breathing in every other practice. The first practice we're going to see is kapalbhati pranayama, which is an energizing and cleansing practice. This helps increase blood circulation to the abdominal and reproductive organs. It also improves the waist to hip ratio. So we're going to sit tall, back is straight, adopt chin mudra. All you're doing is breathe in, push the belly forward. As you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. Inhale, belly comes forward. You can close your eyes. Exhale, just focusing on that sensation of pulling your navel back towards your spine. Inhale. All you're doing is forcefully exhale. Again, inhale, forcefully exhale. Now, for the actual practice, you're not going to inhale. All you're going to do is forcefully keep exhaling out. Inhalation becomes automatic. So we're going to do 10 rounds of 3 sets. This may feel a little uncomfortable on your back if you're new to the practice. Simply breathe in completely, breathe out. We'll go for the next round. Again, inhale completely, exhale. 1 more. You may feel sensations in your throat. That is also normal. As long as you're not feeling dizzy, or are feeling uneasy, then you're on the right track. When you keep doing this practice, you automatically come to a point where there's no air going in and out. Then you can stop there and do another set of either 10 or 30 rounds. One next practice, that is Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. It's also called the alternate nostril breathing. This is a balancing pranayama and helps in balancing the energy channels, cleansing the energy channels, allowing the smooth flow of vital energy or prana all through our body. Also helps balance the hormones in our body. So we'll begin this session by sitting in a comfortable seated position. Chin mudra, index and thumb touch rested on your thigh. Nasika mudra in our right hand with thumb is open. Index and middle finger folds into your palm. Your ring and little finger is extended. So we're going to use our thumb to open and close our right nostril. Our ring finger to open and close the left nostril. So close your right nostril, completely breathe out through your left. See that you keep your face relaxed. When I say back straight, generally shoulders tense up, the face kind of tenses, you squeeze your eyes shut. So see that you keep all of it relaxed. You can maintain a smile, that's the easy way to relax all your facial muscles. Completely breathe out through your left. We're going to simply count for 4. Inhale. Remember, you're maintaining length in your spine. Expand the front of your body, your belly, your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close. Breathe out through your right. This time belly collapses, chest collapses, and you're breathing out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale again. Expand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now keeping all of this in mind, we'll do 5 rounds together. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close. Exhale through your right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through your right. 2, 3, 4. Completely exhale through your left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale through your right. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your right nostril. Completely exhale through your left. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 more rounds. Inhale. Counting your mind now. Through your left. Close your left nostril. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. Close your right nostril completely. Breathe out through your left. Go again. Inhale. Close your left nostril. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. Close your right nostril. Breathe out through your left. Last round. Inhale. Close. Exhale through your right. Breathe in through your right. Close your right nostril completely. Breathe out through your left. Release your hands, drop it down. Inhale through both your nostrils. Exhale through both. Just observing the air moving in through your nose and out through your nose. So this practice, you can begin with 5 rounds, progress to 9 rounds. For more details on how to progress with this practice, I'll leave a progression chart in the video description. The next practice that we're going to do is Bhramari Pranayama, also called as the bee's breath. This is a calming and soothing practice which helps reduce stress, and stress is a contributing factor for PCOD and PCOS. So for this, we're going to again sit keeping our back straight. With your thumb, cover your ears. So you have this little piece on the outside of your ear, your tragus. You're going to use that like a lid to cover your ears and press your thumb over that. See that you're not, digging into it. Just cover and press. Your fingers, place it at the bridge of your nose. So you're not pressing your eyeballs. You're just placing it. Close your eyes, close your ears. Place the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Lips stay closed. What we're going to do here is we're going to chant the n sound. When I say run, the n part, that is what we're going to extend on. Breathe in through your nose. Place the tip of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. And as you breathe out, remember to extend that n sound all throughout your exhalation. So you'll feel this vibration and be able to hear the sound in your head region, head and face region. When you're breathing in, again, inhale, expand your chest, expand your belly. As you breathe out, you collapse. So we're going to do 5 rounds together. And then slowly over a period of time, you can increase it to 9 rounds. Place the tongue to the tip of your mouth. Breath in. As you breathe out. Inhale. Round 2. Each of us will have a different length in breath. So once you're done, you can go to the next round. Round 4. Last round. Release your hands. Stay there for a few seconds, just being surrounded by that vibrations. Thank you so much for being here and doing this practice with me. To get the most benefit out of this practice, do this 3 to 5 times a week with a combination of yoga asanas. I'll leave a link up here where you have asanas which are beneficial for PCOD and PCOS, as well as combine this with a lifestyle wherein you are having nourishing food as well as good sleeping habits. If you have any other questions, please write to me in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you thought this class was valuable to you, please like and share. Namaste.